Okay, I was driving down the road and I noticed that I had a flat tire, so this tire is getting really low. So I had a bit of an inspection around the tire and realized that there's nothing major to the tire at all causing the puncture, just like you're pinning a nail or something into the tire. So it has to be the tire valve. So I'm going to do a quick video about how to instantly change a tire valve and get yourself going again. So let's see how that goes. So it's really handy if you can always keep some valve codes in your car. This is like $2 or $3 only, and also you can have one of these little too, that also $2 or $3. You can always buy these from auto parts stores. It's really handy to keep. Throw one of them in the glove box. This is the package it came with. It's called the valve tool. So what I'm going to do is removing the old valve and put the new one back in and pump the tire up. So let's go ahead. It's going to be like less than 2 minutes, you're done. So it's going to be very useful if you're driving down the road where there's you could be in a desert or just in the bush, so there will be no one around to help you. Go ahead and see how it goes. Okay, I get my new valve ready and I get my tool ready. So what I'm going to do is my plastic cap is missing. I don't know where that went. So you get this tool and see this end. So that end goes to the groove inside this valve. You just then you loosen that up like you loosen a normal bolt. Kind of clockwise if you're loosening up, and clockwise. This will completely you can pump it back up again. Now the tire is completely deflated. Just wait a couple seconds till all this air goes out, and you grab your new valve stem, put it in, get your tool, tighten it back up clockwise. Just don't go too snug, otherwise you'll damage the valve. And just a hand tight, that's okay. And now you got your pump, and there's an option in any pumps to press only to inflate completely flat tire. So I'll set up 32 and just press that and plug this in. And so this will inflate the tire back up again. As you can see, the tire is inflating now back up again. Okay, I heard the beep noise. That means the tire pressure has gone up to 32. Okay, so I'm happy, and that's how you instantly fix air leak in your tire. So thanks for watching, and as always, if you like the video, press the like button, and if you like more DIY stuff like this, just press that subscribe button. See you in the next one.